What should my mindset be when I'm dealing with immigration? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. I believe that immigration is the civil rights issue of our time. I believe that the way we treat our immigrants is indicative of how we treat all members of society, that if we aren't treating immigrants well, we're not treating anybody well. And when I translate that into how we approach things at our office in advocating for immigrants, we've come down to a position where we know and understand that it's a fight. You have to fight for every single benefit. You have to fight to get the immigration benefits for your clients. You have to fight to make your case as strong as possible. And you have to fight so that they know that they can't mess with you, that if they deny your case, you're going to appeal it and fight it and keep going. And that is the right mindset these days when dealing with immigration. There are some immigration lawyers who just sort of piddly along, or there's clients who think, oh, I can do this, I'm pretty smart, I'm a doctor, or I'm an immigration specialist because I've studied things on the internet. They think that they know things. Well, let me tell you something. Our office has been hired by probably 20 lawyers who aren't immigration lawyers over time. So if a lawyer who's gone to law school and is very competent in their own practice area knows enough to hire a competent immigration lawyer, you might think about that too. But this video isn't about hiring us or anything like that. This video is about the mindset. And so if you're doing your case on your own, you want to be deferential, you want to be respectful, but you also want to be firm, because the law says that if you put together the proper case and if your application is approvable, and if there's no reason why it shouldn't be approved, then you should receive the immigration benefit that you want. So don't be apologetic, don't be wishy-washy, don't feel guilty, don't act like you're making these people do work that they don't want to have to do. This is their job. They're government employees, they work for the taxpayers, and they are supposed to follow the law. And if people aren't following the law, you have to push back, you have to be firm, you have to be strong, and we're not going to put up with it. Don't put up with bad decisions, with poorly written decisions, with decisions that are wrong, or denials that are based on facts that aren't even in your case. These are the things that we see at USCIS. The organization is overworked, they're under tremendous pressure to deny as much as they can, and while there are many good people working at USCIS, there are some people who really take great pleasure, I think, in issuing denials or requests for evidence that are not based in fact, that are not based under the law, and they're really just meant to mess with immigrants. And so we don't like that, we don't put up with it, and we're going to fight that every single time that we can. So you are a wonderful person, and you deserve to get the immigration benefit to which you are entitled. And you should not let anybody put you down, you should not let anybody make you feel guilty. You should just do your thing, file your case, make it as strong as possible, make it so that they can't tell you no. There's a great quote from Steve Martin about be so good that they can't tell you no. And that's how strong your case has to be. Your case has to be so strong that they can't tell you no. And that should be your mindset. That way when you walk into your interview, you're standing tall, you're feeling strong, and you're ready to give it right back to them for anything that they say or dumb things that they do. You do it respectfully, you do it kindly, but you let them know that you're not going to back down. That should be your mantra. I'm not going to back down. I won't back down, as my old friend Tom Petty sang long ago. Hope this video was helpful for you. Hope it gets you psyched up for your interview. You should watch it again before you go into your interview, because it will empower you to go in there confidently and strongly and to get the immigration benefit to which you are so richly deserving. Give us a call if you have any questions, 314-961-8200. You can shoot us an email at info@hackinglawpractice.com. If you have a video you'd like us to shoot or question you'd like us to answer, let us know. You always can find us in our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home. We have lots and lots of hundreds of members in there now who are asking questions and discussing the immigration issues of the day. And don't forget our YouTube channel that you can subscribe to so that you get updates whenever we shoot videos just like this one. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.